On it. End of today, Rocky. Well, that interest will be racking up.
Make yourself useful. Take by the window.
Yeah.
Carlo.
Since when don't we do mushrooms?
Since I've only got one pair of hands, Bernie.
Ow! Oh, you right, Kath?
Well done. Yeah. It's a shock. I should have closed up last week until I found an electrician. I put all their lives at risk, and for what? A couple of £100.
No, it's my fault, isn't it? It's a money-grabbing ex-wife of mine.
No, listen, we're a team. And no amount of money is worth risking lives over.
No. No, it ain't. Please.
Right, here we go. Eyes down, looking.
Come on.
Come on. And that's the line by a short head. It's Summerman Beauty.
Tottenham Hill have a fine jump at it. They're all safe over that. On towards an open ditch. Tottenham Hill leading by about...
Come on, Jenny. Bring it up. Come on. Yes. Get on, Shandy.
Outjumped by the improving Liz Lawton Abbey, who's making ground standside. Shirley Balloon's
With a
over on the
burst
front.
of energy, they're surging ahead, overtaking the others as they hit the home stretch. The crowd is going ballistic. Hey Neighbour is pulling away. The finish line in sight. Scaremonger tries to catch up, but he moves on. Yes! Testament to the power of patience.
A
£526.30.
wise man, Olga. That's me. A wise man knows when to stop. Nish, it's Rocky. I will see you in the Vic for your first payment. Yeah? Buy you a drink if you're lucky. Ta-da. Hey, Patrick.
Hey. Where you going?
I'm all done, so...
Done? Listen now, man. I got a tip of the century for you.
You had a monkey in your hands. Well, he said it was a dead throat.
I did. For my sins.
You never learn, will you? It was on a roll, mate.
Look.
I am sorry about all of this, but I promise you I will get you that money next week.
2 payments, plus 30% interest for being late. Or I could ask your wife.
I told you to keep Kath out of this.
Time's up, Rocky.
I love you too, sweetheart. See you in a minute. Yeah. And say you don't want to help me after all. Why have you drowned yourself in aftershave for? Why don't you go home and put your slippers on? Yeah, but you've changed.
Rocky, have I got to eat this burger and all?
What have you done? Nothing.
Are you serious?
Deadly. Then, if you'll excuse me, I've kept Café waiting long enough.
Fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Okay. Why would it? Yes. Okay. Come on! Oh, you... Yeah. I can't see a thing.
Are you sure you're okay? You're awfully quiet.
No, I'm fine.
Bobby! Vinny, where's Bobby? I haven't seen him. He was going to the shop. He was getting crisps. He never came in, Peter.
Peter, no!
Bobby!
Peter! No, get off me!
No.
Let me get in!
Bobby! Bob! He's over there.
Rocky, love.
How's Peter and Bobby?
They were unconscious when they were carried out. And now they're both in intensive care. Peter's on a ventilator. We don't know if they'll make it.
Dad! Bobby! Dad. Oh, Bobby! Oh,
Where's Peter?
God. Oh. Where is he? Where's Peter?
I don't know.
How could this happen? Cindy, I don't know what to say.
What was he doing in there?
He was a hero. Honestly, he ran in to save Bobby. You should be proud of him.
Saving you? So is that the reason he's in this mess? Couldn't save yourself.
That ain't fair.
No, it's not fair that my son is the only one with a serious injury.
The electrics were dodgy, Anne. I knew that and I should have gotten fixed. I'm sorry. I'm so desperately sorry. If you're going to blame anyone, then you need to blame me.
Yeah, well, don't worry, I will. And if anything happens to him, you are going to pay. George?
What I'm saying is that when you can't control a situation, you tend to rant and rave at the world.
Don't minimise my feelings.
Thorny Rose.
You stop saying that.
And I'm guessing that Ian didn't say you were a bad mum.
Yes, he did.
What, in those words?
No.
No. He's a bit of a weasel. He's not stupid. I'm guessing you created a ruck out of nothing, so you could give yourself a reason to run away.
No.
Yeah. It's a lot easier to sit here ranting about everybody else than it is sitting next to Peter, worrying whether he's going to live or die.
Kathy did cause that fire, and I'm not going to let her get away with it.
Okay. But can't it wait till Peter's better?
Excuse me, I don't want to interfere with your job, but my son was injured in the fire.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I can't really tell you anything more about the investigation.
Yeah, I know, but I know the owner, and I know a lot more about the fire.
Look, I'm not here to rail you, Cindy. He's my grandson, and I'm worried about him. That's the only reason I'm here.
It's fine.
Any change?
He should have left me in there.
Oh, he's going to pull through. He's a fighter. Like his mum.
Kathy Cotton?
Yeah.
I'm DC Macon from Walford CID. We are arresting you for criminal damage by fire where life was endangered.
No, hang on.
Yeah, you can't do that.
You do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned something you later rely on in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence.
I've tried weaning him off the ventilator, but his oxygen levels dropped right down.
So he's still not out of the woods? I'll do a coffee run.
You stood there and watched while your wife got arrested.
She's innocent. They're going to have to let her.
Yeah, she's innocent. You're not.
The noise down.
I can't believe you went and did it.
I didn't think anyone was going to get up.
You blew the place up.
It wasn't part of the plan.
Oh, well, it's time to come clean. Just put your hands up before Kathy takes the blame for this.
Give this a few more hours to play out.
Play out? Have you lost your mind? You know what you're doing, don't you? You're gambling with Kathy's freedom.
They could release her without charge. Then no one asks any more questions and this all goes away.
See? You're trying to ride your luck, and I'm telling you now, it's run out.
I just need a bit more time. Now, if you'll excuse me.
He's a killing man, fighting for his life. And your missus down the cop shop because of something you did.
I know what I did. Arson, insurance fraud, possibly even manslaughter. I know what I did. Because there is a very good chance I could go down for life.
Well, from where I'm standing, you deserve it. So for once in your life, stop putting yourself first and fix this.
Oh, look, if you're coming in for another round of questions, maybe I do need that solicitor, yeah.
That can be arranged. But your husband's just been in and he's given a statement.
What am I doing here? We need to get to the hospital.
Just have a little drink, calm your nerves.
They let you go then?
Yeah, all a misunderstanding. I told them the electrics were on the blink and I tried to fix it, ended up, making it worse. But once I explained the situation, they said, Mrs. Cotton, you are free to go, job done.
You two deserve a drink. And me.
Hey, that is a great idea, Governor. Café, I'm so glad that you're on.
Terrible news about the calf. Can't imagine what you and your family must be going through.
It ain't easy.
I've been thinking. The last thing you need on top of all of this is your debt to me hanging over your head. So, consider it cancelled as a gesture of goodwill.
Sure. I don't know what to say.
Say nothing. I think your life will be so much easier if we both say nothing. I know you burnt your wife's business for the insurance money. Harvey knows too, by the looks of it. And if Cassie knows about your debts, she'll piece all this together as well.
What do you want?
The Café is on a very valuable plot of land. And I want to buy it for a discounted price.
It ain't for sale.
Well, it needs to be. So you convince Cass to sell to me, or everyone finds out what you did.
I love you.
Oh, my God. He had his hands round her neck. You couldn't get him off her. I mean, we couldn't get him off. I had to stop him.
You.
Sharon, we all saw it.
We've got to think practically, work out priorities, put one foot in front of the other. Any feelings or thoughts, you just put them in a box. Save them until it's safe. This is sink or swim.
He wouldn't seriously have hurt me, was he? He would.
You're already showing bruising, Sharon. Oh. It's okay if they only hurt us a bit. You want help holding your nerve? That man, he would have left your son motherless.
No, it's stuck. No,
wait.
Just lift it.
Just turn this way. Turn this way.
Okay.
Turn him.
Okay, all right. No. Okay. Be careful where you walk, all right? Like I said, the fire bring the heart out of it completely, so just here. You go. It's massive. That's perfect.
Oh, had an emergency call. A landline registered to Linda Carter.
Okay.
Just over an hour ago. It's called a drop call when nobody talks. It's a standard policy to do a welfare check. Is Linda Carter here? I have a legal duty to speak to Miss Carter.
Yeah, I'm Linda Carter. It must have been one of the kids. Yeah? Well, why did I lie? Why didn't I let them in? Get in an ambulance.
Right, but because that drop call, right? Keanu made you do it, yeah? And when the police knocked, he was still in the pub, and Keanu didn't just attack Nish. He was right there. He was right behind you, Denise.
We were all there together, weren't we? All of us.
Yeah, and we were all too scared to speak up and get Nish the help that he needed. And Keanu was he had a knife, and he was threatening to use it.
We can do this. We will do this.
We have to do this. All of us, we stick to the same story. Okay? We've got no choice.